Hello students, how are you all? Good morning to all of you. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to read chapter number 3B, which is a poem from your Honeycomb book. And the poem is The Shade. Poet is Frank Flynn. So students, let's know something about the poet. So Francis Stanislaus, that is Frank, was born in 1906. So when was he born, students? In 1906 in Sydney. Which place? In Sydney. And died in 2000. He died in the year 2000. By profession, he was an Australian doctor. So he served as a doctor. He was even an author and missionary priest. Missionary priest means his father was in missionary priest, so he was. Now students, as you can see, let's find out what is the meaning of shade. See, do you know what a shade is? A cow shade, a tool shade, a wood shade. So you have heard about these shades. So what is a cow shade? A cow shade is a shade where cows are kept. A tool shed is a shed where tools are kept, like if you have a garage and different types of tools are kept there. Wood shed, woods are stored there in this type of shed. Okay, it's a small room away from the main house. So you know that shed is a type of small room which is away from your main room, from your main house, for storing or keeping things, animals, tools or vehicles, etc. So this type of things are stored in shed, and these are made bit away from your main room. Okay, so let me tell you the definition of a shed. What is a shed? A shed is a small room away from the main house. I already told you. Used to store or keep grains. So we can store anything. Or if we don't have space in our houses, we can keep grains over there, things, animals, tools, vehicles, etc. Okay students, so let's begin the poem. See, there's a shade at the bottom of our garden. So see, in the picture you can see there is a garden and a shade is there. So what is the meaning of the garden? मतलब कि जो garden का एकदम नीचे का हिस्सा है, नीचे के तरफ, वहाँ पे एक shade है with a spider's web hanging across the door. So the door of this shade, what has happened here? Spider's web, मतलब मकड़ी का जाला दरवाजों पे लगा हुआ है क्योंकि इसकी सफाई नहीं की जाती है. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. You know students, what are hinges? You know, hinges are a type of joint with which the doors are attached. गेट में जो जॉइंट होता है, जो लकड़ी से अटैच्ड होता है, जिससे खोलते बंद करते हैं, दैट इज अ जॉइंट. सो एंड द जॉइंट्स आर मेड अप ऑफ आयरन, एंड दीज जॉइंट्स हैव बिकम रस्टी, क्योंकि सफाई नहीं होता, उनमें जंग लगा हुआ है, खुलती नहीं है. एंड क्रीक इन द विंड. क्रीक मीन्स यू नो इट मेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ इरिटेटिंग नॉइज व्हेन देयर इज अ विंड. कड़कड़ कड़कड़ टाइप की आवाज आती है. व्हेन आई एम इन बेड I lie and I listen. That means when he lies in his bed, what he listens to those creaking sound of the doors of the shade in the wind. I'll open that door one day. And what does the poet think? The poet thinks that one day he is going to open the door of the shade and find out what is there. Okay, next paragraph. There's a dusty old window around at the side with 3 cracked panes of glass. I often think there's someone staring at me each time that I pass. I'll peep through that window one day. So you know there is dusty, मतलब जिसमें धूल मिट्टी लगा हो. There is a old window because this shade is not taken care of. It is not maintained. They don't clean it. So in the side there are windows, and those windows are very dusty. They are very dirty. and the panes of glass, that means the window has got a glass panes, उसमें कांच लगा हुआ है, and those have got 3 cracked, मतलब 3 जगह से टूटा हुआ है, they have got cracks in them. And you know, the poet sometimes feels that when he looks there, that somebody stares at him, somebody looks at him, and he feels so insecure. He thinks that somebody from the shade, somebody from that creaking window looks at him, stares at him, and he feels very scared. And he promises to himself that someday he will peep through that window. उस विंडो के अंदर वो झांकेगा और देखेगा क्या है, क्योंकि उसको हमेशा लगता है कि उसको कोई, जब भी वो उस शेड के पास से जाता है तो उसको कोई देखता है छुप के विंडो से. सो ही थिंक्स दैट वन डे he'll peep through that window and see what is there inside. My brother says there's a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards. And if I ever dare to set foot inside, he will jump out and chop off my head. But I'll take a peek one day. So what does the poet's brother say? The poet's brother says that there is a ghost, there is a spirit in the shed. भूत है उसके अंदर. और जो उस शेड में नीचे जो फ्लोर बोर्ड लगाया गया, फ्लोर बोर्ड मतलब जैसे नीचे की जो जमीन है उसमें वुडन का फ्लोर बोर्ड है, द ghost hides under that floorboard. And the poet's brother says that if he dares to enter inside the shade, what will happen? He will, the ghost will jump out of that floorboard and chop off the poet's head. The poet's head will be cut off by the ghost. Ghost का जो head है वो floorboard से भूत निकल के उसके गले को काट देगा. But I'll take a peek one day. I'll take a peek one day means, but the poet will look inside that shade. What is there inside there? Say inside that shade, is it a ghost or not? He will look inside the shade one day and find out what is there. I know that there isn't really a ghost. My brother tells lies to keep the shade for his den. तो ऑथर को पता है कि कोई भी घोस्ट नहीं है और उसका भाई झूठ बोलता है ताकि वो जगह वो खुद के लिए रिजर्व कर सके और अपनी चीजें वहां पे रख सके. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises. So the poet knows finally that there is no ghost, there is no one who looks at him or makes those strange noises or unnatural noises, and the spider has been gone from the way. So what does the poet finds? That yes, there was a spider in the web once, but now that spider has gone away and there is no spider in the web. Since I don't know when I'll go into the shade one day soon, but not just yet. So what does the poet ends with this concluding lines? He says that one day he will surely go into that shade to find out what is there. Very soon he will go, but that day has not come yet. He doesn't know when he is going to go inside the shade and find out this thing. But yeah, he will on one certain day he will go. So students, let me tell you something about the poem. So this is a kind of narrative poetry. Now students, what is the meaning of narrative poetry? Narrative poetry means when it is in a form of narration. जैसे एक स्टोरी बताया जाता है वैसे ये पोइट्री भी बताया गया है. ओके, टोन इज ऑल्सो नरेटिव, एक स्टोरी की तरह नरेट किया गया है. रिदम एंड रिचनेस ऑफ द लैंग्वेजेस इज इम्प्रेसिव. तो जो इसकी रिदम है, जो इसका लैंग्वेज जैसा यूज किया गया, इट इज वेरी इम्प्रेसिव, इट इज वेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड easy. Mood is fearful and curious. So what kind of mood do you find of the child in the poem? Here the child has a fearful mood and curious. Fearful, why? Because he is fearful about that somebody sees him from the shade, and he is curious to know that who is there, what is there inside the shade. And what is the theme? What is the theme of this poetry? Why the poet has written this poem? To show us all the curiosity of a child and wonderment. Okay, so students, Thank you.